In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook page username. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy to share handle that makes your page simpler to find and tag. First, head to your Facebook account and open the Pages section. You'll see a list of pages you manage. Click to select the page you want to work on. This ensures you're in the right place before making changes. Next, switch your view so you're acting as the page. Go to the top right and click your profile icon, then choose See All Profiles. From there, pick your page. When you're using Facebook as the page, any settings you adjust will apply directly to that page, which is exactly what we need for creating a username. Now, open your settings. Click Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. You'll land on your main settings dashboard, where you control key details about your page. On the left side, find and click Page Setup. This is where Facebook groups foundational options for your page profile. It's the right place to manage your username. Look for the username section and click Edit. This is the field that defines your public handle, the one that appears after the @ symbol and at the end of your page URL. Type the username you want. For example, something like @yourbrandname. Keep it short, memorable, and as close to your brand name as possible. Usernames can include letters, numbers, and periods, and typically need to be at least a few characters long. Avoid special characters and anything that could be mistaken for another brand. Consistency across platforms is helpful, so consider matching the handle you use on other social networks if it's available. Facebook will check availability as you type. If your choice is available, you're good to continue. If it's taken, try small variations that still look professional, like adding a location, an industry word, or a period to separate words. Steer clear of misleading terms or anything that violates Facebook's naming rules. When you're happy with the option and it's available, click Save Changes. Your page now has a username. This updates your tag. People can mention you with @yourchosenname, and it creates a cleaner link you can share on your website, email signatures, and other platforms. If you don't see the option to edit, double check that you're managing the page with the right access and try again later. Sometimes Facebook requires the page to meet certain criteria before enabling a username. That's it. You've set your Facebook page username and made your brand easier to find and share.